All right, today's video, we are going to be looking at converting decimals into fractions. So it's a matter of what decimal do you have written there, and then writing it as a fraction. All right, so to just get your head thinking about the different place values that we're going to be using, because we're converting a decimal into a fraction, we're paying attention to the right side of our chart here. So if I have the tenths, that really means 1 over 10. Hundredths means 1 over 100. Thousandths, 1 over 1,000. Okay. 10,000 would be 1 over 10,000. So on and so forth. Okay. So whatever number I have in that place value is what's going to go in the fraction for us. All right, so we're going to look at this problem. We have 0.58 or 58 hundredths. So if you look at my place value chart, I'm just going to fill it in where I have the 5 and the 8. And I know that it's over my word hundredths, so that's really going to end up as being 58 over 100. Okay? I could leave my answer written as this way. If I wanted to simplify it, I would divide both by 2, and that's going to leave me with 29 over 50. Either answer is correct. Looking at our next example, we have 173 thousandths. So again, I'm just going to fill it in on my table here with what I know. And I have 173, so 173 is going to be my numerator. My denominator becomes what my last digit falls under, which is thousandths. So it's 173 over 1,000. Looking at this next example, I have 583 10,000ths. So again, I'm going to fill it in on my chart with where it should be, and then I write what my top number is, so it's 583, and then I see that it's listed under 10 thousandths, so I'd write over 10,000. Okay, and it can't be simplified down any farther there, so that's what my answer is. All right, now let's take a look at a couple examples just without that chart being there with us. So in this case, I have 19 is my number. So 19, and then I have 3 places to the right of the decimal. So all I know is I put a 1 there, and then I add my 3 zeros for my 3 spaces, which would be the thousandths place. So it's 19 over 1,000. All right, looking at our next example, I'm just going to list the number that I have there, which is 703. And then I'm going to put a 1, and if I count my numbers after the decimal, 1, 2, 3, that means I'm going to put 3 zeros there, and I end up with 703,000. All right, taking a look at our last example, again, I'm just going to write the number as my numerator. And then if I start at the decimal, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have a 1, and then I have my 4 zeros, which is 9 over 10,000. Okay, go back and watch any of the problems on the video. Hopefully that helps you understand how to put a decimal into a fraction.